This video is for number 6, creating a rectangular pattern. This is a practice one. It's not a set part or anything. I'm going to go ahead and create my standard inch IPT. First step, we need to create an extrusion that is 6 inches wide, 4 inches high as a rectangle, and extrude that thing to a depth of 0.5 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and start a 2D sketch. Put that on the XY plane in this case. Grab my rectangle tool up here in the Create panel. Start at the origin, and my length is going to be 6. I'm going to hit Tab to switch over to the other side and type in 4 and hit Enter. So I like to zoom out a little bit and then finish the sketch. Now I'm going to go ahead and extrude this to a depth of half an inch or 0.5 inch. 0.5, just like that. So now we have an image down here below on the Project Lead the Way website. I have a circle with a diameter of 0.3. It is positioned half an inch in and a half an inch up. We're going to create that circle, create a very small extrusion. It doesn't really matter what size that extrusion is. And then we're going to use the pattern tool. So I'm going to start a sketch on the face. Grab my circle, put it down here, and it's going to be 0.3. At that point I can use my dimensions, edge to circle. This is going to be 0.5. Bottom edge to circle. This is going to be 0.5 as well. At that point I can finish the sketch, extrude it. I'm going to go ahead and extrude it. Instead of 0.5, I'm going to go 0.25. This part does not matter what you extrude it to. Keep it reasonable, but the point isn't to teach you extrusions, it's to teach you the rectangular pattern tool. So I'm going to click OK. Now, I'm going to scroll down here. This is really hard to see. I'm going to go ahead, you're going to click it. You're going to see a preview of what's going to happen. We're going to add in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to go 5 across and 4 up, and really it's quite difficult to read what our spacing here is. Now that I'm in one direction, well actually 6, excuse me, 1 inch spacing, and we're going to do 4 1 inch spacing, and we're going to use spacing for this. So to show how that works, so let me zoom out a little bit. Coming over to the pattern area, rectangular pattern is above circular pattern. We've used circular pattern before. We're going to go to rectangular pattern here. And first we need to click the feature. The feature I want to click is this. This is what we want to pattern. I then need to choose direction. In this case, I'm going to click the bottom edge. I'm also going to choose direction 2, which is going to be the sides. So this edge or this edge, it's going to go in that direction. Notice when I click the direction the arrows are pointing. On the bottom, the arrow is pointing in the way that we want. On the side, the arrow is pointing in the incorrect way. We can click the flip to have it go the opposite direction. So in direction 1, in our case, we're going to do 6 of those. In direction 2, we're going to do 4 of those, and then I can click OK. And now we've created that little feature that many times on our part. This is really powerful if we have something that's repeated in the same spacing over and over again, so that we don't have to draw each one individually. This saves us time. So this is part 6. Go ahead and get it saved, get it put in, submitted, and thank you for watching.